Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. This example comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 204 PS. Accompanying this is a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes in a beautiful two-tone colour combination of candy white over copper bronze. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, up front we'll find a set of LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights, and the vehicle also features a set of front parking sensors. In the lower portion of the bumper we'll also find a set of front fog lamps. Down below and across all four wheels we'll find a set of 17-inch Aracaju alloy wheels coming in a multi-spoke design. As this is the Ocean model, it features the electro-hydraulic operated pop-up roof as well as a roll-out awning. The vehicle also features a set of rear parking sensors, which paired with a rear view reversing camera allows you to park and manoeuvre with confidence. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the load area or the boot space of the vehicle, there's a fair amount of storage space. The California also features some cupboards on the left hand side, useful for storing a variety of different items. Looking into the rear passenger area, there's a 2-seater passenger bench, as well as all the camping necessities you might need, such as a fridge/cool box, a twin hob burner, a sink with a folding tap, as well as a pop-out table. Once the roof has been deployed, you can sit or even stand back here with loads of headroom. When the sun sets and it's time for bed, you can fold the rear passenger bench flat along with the comfort mattress. And up front in the cab area we'll find two singular swivelling seats, both with 2 armrests each, as well as a heated function. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows you to use the inbuilt navigation or even connect your smartphone device using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Beneath the touchscreen we'll find the dual zone climate controls, which of course features AC and heated seats to the front. Throughout the rest of the centre console we'll find a 12V and USB Type-C charging points, and exclusively for the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, which is paired with a fully digital Volkswagen cockpit display. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.